Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own wallpaper to Wallpaper Engine. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually launch up Wallpaper Engine, come at the bottom left, click on Wallpaper Editor, and then from here I want you to click on Create Wallpaper. Now I want you to just look for your background image for your wallpaper, so browse to your File Explorer. I'll use this image, I'll click on Open, and if you want, you can go ahead and resize this image. You can go ahead and also choose your resize resolution. I'll go with this one, click here on OK. And then once you have your background image, you can go ahead and add assets to this as well. So if I come here, click on Add Asset, you can see we have different options here. Let's go ahead and add a clock. So I'll come and click on this. We'll click here on OK. And now we have a clock. You can drag it anywhere you want. You can scroll down here on the right hand panel. You're able to also change the color. As you can see, the opacity. Can also change the font right here, as you can see, and you can also add padding, change the alignment. Of course, you can also go ahead and add some effects to this if you want by clicking here on Add. Now once you're done with this, to apply this wallpaper, just come to the top left, click on File, click here on Apply Wallpaper, and as you can see, it has been applied. You can also go ahead and save this. Just come here, click on File, click on Save As, and then name this anything you want. I'll click here on OK, and now we have this saved. And of course, if you want to publish this on the workshop, just come here, click on Workshop, and then click here on Share Wallpaper on Workshop. All you need to do here is add a title, and you need a preview image. So just come here, click on Capture Preview, and just press Enter to go ahead and do your capture. There you go. Then you can just go ahead and publish that, and then choose a rating right here. Okay, there we go. Click here on OK, and you're basically done. And that is how to add your own wallpaper to Wallpaper Engine. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. The channel really helps me out as well.